Hi there, I'm Sharon Tinberg, founder of Clean Smart Academy, Clean Smart Home Cleaning, and author of Repeatable, How to Build a Home Service Business that Grows Itself. But today, I want to chat about something that costs cleaning business owners a lot of money, and most of them don't realize it. Chaos. Now, the interesting thing about chaos in our industry is a lot of it has solved itself. Software has helped a lot with scheduling. Invoicing, billing, and getting your money is easier than ever. And CRMs, marketing, and sales have made lead generation a lot easier than it used to be. So in many companies, the offices run pretty smoothly today. But the chaos hasn't disappeared. It just moved. It's done a realignment. The chaos now sits in the field, within the cleaners themselves. And that's a big reason for attrition today. Most cleaners walk into a large home and the first thing they feel is overwhelmed. They don't know where to start. They don't know what to do first. They're really afraid they're going to run out of time. Without a clear process, every cleaner does things differently. Things get missed, quality becomes inconsistent, clients lose confidence, and owners end up doing what most small service business owners do, putting out fires. The real answer isn't more supervision. Adding bodies won't fix it. The solution is a repeatable cleaning process. When cleaners follow the same process every time, no matter how big or small the home, no matter how cluttered or uncluttered the home, they know exactly where to start and exactly what to do next. In other words, the house may change. The house will change, but the process never does. And that's when chaos finally starts to disappear. That idea is one of the foundations behind my new book, Repeatable, How to Build a Home Service Business that Grows Itself. And if you'd like to read more about it, next Monday you can do just that by going to Amazon. It will be available then. Until then, why not start making your cleaning process repeatable? We'd love to help you. Just go to www.cleansmartacademy.com. And until tomorrow, happy training.